So today we are going to be building a DIY heating plate. As we can see here, I've grabbed the items we need, like the Rex C100, the temperature gauge, the solid state relay, the heating tape, and some wires. Now to assemble them, we just need to follow a guide such as the ones on YouTube. Just search up how to wire a PID controller, and boom, done. Of course, this is working with mains voltage, but if you wire everything correctly, you won't die. So don't do this if you have no experience with electronics. If you die, it's not on me, I'm sorry. Now, to make the box the electronics are contained in, we just need to cut some MDF wood. Cut some holes, tidy up some scratches, and boom, we got ourselves a casing for our little controller. Now to test if this pile of junks works. It seems as if it is working, but for some odd reason the heating tape is smoking. The smoke doesn't smell nice, so I'm not going to use it. Let's whip up something else. First we are going to put something in this bucket so the plaster of Paris don't stick to it. And then pour our paste in there. Carve some tunnels for our heating wires and let it dry. Now let's test this. So maybe this video wasn't very helpful, but let it be known that the heating tape I used at first, it was really bad. It smoked and it left this oily residue left, and I really dislike it. I don't recommend it. The nichrome wire I believe I was using, the heating wire, I don't know why it exploded. I think my wires, or I don't know, something to do with low high resistant points. That was totally my fault, by the way. I just ran out of wires, so I decided not to use it. But I think I'm just gonna buy a portable electronic cooker because let me be honest, it does the same thing. It's safer, it looks better. So yeah, I'm probably gonna buy one of those. As for the PID, you saw me throwing it off the roof. I'm probably still going to use it. I'm not going to use it as of now, but maybe, in the next upcoming years I might use it for my electronic furnace. I mean, that would always be fun. With all that said, hope you guys liked the video. If you know any other things to do with the PID, comment it in the comment section below, and see ya.